Dangling modifiers. Clearing the cloud of confusion. Hello, language learners. Today, we are delving into the world of grammar to explore a topic that often confuses many. Dangling modifiers. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of what they are, why they can be problematic, and how to fix them. So, let's get started. A dangling modifier is a word or phrase that modifies a word not clearly stated in the sentence. Dangling modifiers cause confusion because it's not clear what they're referencing. For instance, let's look at the following sentence. Having finished the assignment, the Xbox was my next target. The phrase, having finished the assignment, is the modifier here. But who or what finished the assignment? We don't know. The modifier is left dangling. Let's look at a few more examples to get a better understanding of dangling modifiers. 1. After rotting in the cellar for weeks, my brother brought up some oranges. In this sentence, the modifier, after rotting in the cellar for weeks, incorrectly appears to modify my brother, rather than the oranges. 2. Walking down the street, the trees were beautiful. Here, the modifier, walking down the street, is dangling, as trees can't walk. 3. To improve his health, the doctor suggested running. In this case, it seems like the doctor should do some running, not the patient. Fixing dangling modifiers involves making sure the thing being modified is clearly stated. Let's correct the examples from the previous section. 1. After rotting in the cellar for weeks, the oranges my brother brought up were inedible. Now, it's clear that the oranges were rotting. 2. While I was walking down the street, I thought the trees were beautiful. This way, it's clear who was doing the walking. 3. The doctor suggested that he start running to improve his health. Now, it's clear that the patient should do the running. And that's it. You're now well equipped to spot and fix those tricky dangling modifiers. Remember, clarity is key in communication. So, ensure that your sentences clearly express what you mean. Thanks for watching, and keep practicing. We hope this video has been helpful. Stay tuned for more English language learning videos. Happy learning!